We are so excited to share more information about our wine classes with our Vine Society community members, as well as anybody that'd like to join us. We have 3 classes that we're featuring right now. Number 1 is wine enjoyment, and that's really about understanding what you see, what you smell, and what you taste when you're enjoying wine. We also talk a little bit about grape varietals, we talk about wine styles in different regions to get you acquainted with the basics.
So the first thing that I would literally tell myself if I was in a blind tasting looking at this is, it's not white, right? So we just eliminated more than half of the world of wine right there. You know? So this is the Silvio Gemello Via Gentiana from Lang. So this is actually from an estate that is in Barbaresco, which is a name that some of you may have heard of. So we're up in the Piedmont here.
Class number 2 is about wine palate development. And this is where we go a little bit deeper and try to understand acidity. And we also talk about dryness versus sweetness. We talk about tannin in wines and all these other things that help you appreciate wine a lot more.
How much tannin is there? How much noticeable acidity is there? And how much alcohol is there? And those things play with each other a little bit. A lot of wines will present as more fruity on the palate than they do on the nose, or vice versa.
In addition, this class also speaks about balance, length, intensity, and complexity, as well as varietal correctness, which are the key characteristics of high-quality wines.
We know it's probably a thinner skinned grape or style, just because it's light colored in the glass. Yes, they're so great.
That wasn't me.
And finally, now that you're officially a wine geek, we also have our wine pairing class. And in this class, you'll learn the basics about pairing your wines with your food. After all, wine is made to be enjoyed with food. So we hope you'll join us at our next class.